morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So, welcome to the session of EVS. This is your EVS session. Kindly please take out your EVS books. And I'm Mrs. Nancy Sharma, your EVS developer. Please take out your books. And we were discussing about what? Parts of body, right? So please open your books and we have done till page number 6. Today we will do page number 7 and 8. Okay. So quickly write the date, mark the day and the weather. See children, what is this about? There is an interesting fact. Let's read that fact below first. We have similar body parts. We all have similar body parts, but all of us don't look the same. The size, shape, and color of the parts of our body are different. See, I also have the same body part which you have, right? Isn't it? How? I have two eyes, you also have two eyes. I have 2 ears, you also have 2 ears. I have one nose, you also have one nose. Do you have two nose? No. So see, now we have similar body parts. Similar means same. We have same body parts. You also have that parts and I have two hands, you also have two hands. I have 10 fingers, you also have 10 fingers. I have one neck, you also have one neck, right? So this means we have similar body part. Now see, but why do we look different? We all look different. Your face is different, my face is different. How? See, children, the size, shape, and color of the parts of our body are different. Some are very fair. Fair means गोरे, बहुत गोरे होते हैं और कोई बहुत काले होते हैं. Some are very black. Some are okay, ना ज्यादा गोरे ना ज्यादा काले. ठीक है, we call it in Hindi सांवले, right? Okay, now see, some have some have the size of the eyes are big. Some of the size of the eyes are big. Some have small eyes. Some have big eyes. Some have big ears. Some have small ears. Some have big hands. Some have small hands. Someone's height is big and someone's height is small. So, like this, we are different from each other. Is it clear to you all? That's fine. Now, see, children, I'll show you one more thing. What is this? Can you see this part? A shopkeeper measures the length of a foot on a ruler when we go to buy shoe. Whenever we go to market, we go to a shoe to buy shoes in any of the shop. You can see this kind of stool is there. You sit over here and you keep your feet on this part. This part has the numbering like this. Okay, when you keep your feet on this part, this is a ruler. It measures your size of your feet. Okay, clear? So a dash measures the length of a foot on ruler, a shopkeeper. Or I can ask you, a shopkeeper measures the length of a foot on dash when we go to buy shoes on ruler. Fine. Now see children, use a ruler to find out and write down the foot sizes of three of your friends. See, now your friends are not there with you because you are not able to go anywhere. You can just measure the size of the foot of your family members. Any three family members, you'll write their names and the foot size. How you will measure? You'll take a ruler and then you will measure the foot like this in centimeters. Fine. Like you can write any of the name. I'm writing Arush. Okay, Arush, the foot size is, what is the foot size of Arush? It's 27. Can you see this? So you will write 27 centimeter like this. Fine. Now whose foot is this? This is Rohan's foot. Okay. How long is Rohan's foot? How long is Rohan's foot? Let's see. It's 27 centimeter. How long is your foot in centimeter? You will measure your foot also and write here. Is your foot shorter or shorter than Rohan? Yes or no? You will measure your foot, then you see whether your foot is more than 27 centimeter or less. Then you will write yes or no. If it is shorter than Rohan, you will write yes. If it is not shorter than Rohan, you will write no. Fine. Is it clear? Observe your friend and tick the correct box. What you have to do in this now, you have to observe your family members only. Okay. It is not possible to observe your friends. What you will do? Hair color. You will observe your hair color and your mother's hair color. Brown or black. Okay. Hair color. What you will do? You will see the hair colors. Observe your friend and tick the correct box. See, just differentiate, and after that, you have to tick on the box of your mother's. Okay, like how I'm again telling you, you have to observe your mother. After observing your mother, अपनी मम्मा को देखना है, अच्छे से मम्मा का हेयर कलर देखना है, ब्राउन और ब्लैक. अगर तो मम्मा का हेयर कलर ब्राउन है, सो यू विल टिक ऑन ब्राउन. अगर मम्मा का हेयर कलर ब्लैक है, यू विल टिक ऑन ब्लैक. Hair length, then you will see the length, either it's long or short, then tick accordingly. Is she or he taller than you? Is your mother taller than you? Yes, your mother is taller than you. Eye color you have to see whether the eye color, this black part you can see in my eyes, round black, you have to see that color, whether that color is black or brown, then you have to tick on that. Is it clear to you all? Okay, please turn your page. Come to page number 8 now. Write the date again and mark on the day and the weather. Okay. What you have to do, you have to fill this crossword. What are you going to do? You have to fill this crossword. Okay. Before doing, let's read the fact given below. Okay. Let me erase this. Just wait for a while. Okay, what is the fact below? Let's read. Our body is the living machine. Yes, we are living, right? It is made up of many parts. Each part of our body has a name and does a special work. Yes, see, you know what is this? This has a name. What is this? This is eyes. What do they do? We see with our eyes, right? What is this? These are ears. What do we do? We hear with our ears. See, all the body parts have different functions. This hand, we help to write, we help to wash our face with our hands. So, these are the functions of our body. Okay, what you have to do now, let's see, there is one again interesting fact. Our body has different parts. Each part of our body has different names. Same thing is written on the top again. Each part has its function. Okay, now let's see, what is this? This is chin, so you will write CHIN, chin. What is this? This is fingers. 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 Clear? What is this? Can you see this? Are you able to see? What is this? This is knees. 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 Now see, what are these? These are eyes. EYES. What is this? This is nose. NOSE. What is this? This is ears. EA. Please pardon my handwriting. RS. Ears. And this is legs. LEGS. Is it clear to you all? I hope this much is clear. Okay. Paste a picture of yourself. What you will do, you will just paste a picture of you must be having a small photograph of yours If you have a full photograph, you can just cut from the side and you have to paste in this mirror, and then see in this mirror, and you have to tell your body parts. When you will paste your picture, you can see your eyes, so you can write eyes. You can see your shoulders, you can write shoulders. You can see your legs, you can write legs. You can see your arms, you can write arms. So this part you will do it yourself. Okay, you have to write your body parts and you have to paste a picture of yours in this. Clear? If you have any queries, you can call and ask me. Fine? Is it okay? Now write your daily diaries, write the date on the top, and write do page number 7 and 8. Clear? And there is a last minute task for you. Name any 5 body parts. You have to write this in your EVS notebook. You have to name 5 body parts. Is it clear to you all, children? I hope this is clear. So quickly finish and send me. Bye. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.